Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick tip on Lightroom for how you can kind of bring some nice light into the edges of your photos. This was shot in Japan and the colors are quite intense now, but using a radial filter, you can position it in the right place and get a really nice faded look of colors. So you can click on the button which is Radial Filters just there, and what I've done is brought the temperature and the tint right to the right hand side, so you've got these orange and pink tints, and brought the clarity and dehaze right down up the saturation as well. So as you can see, my radial filter, which is just over here, is obviously doing way too much right now. So what you're going to do is just zoom out of here and take your radial filter, mine's pretty big, and just drag it right to the edge of the image. Once you've got it at the edge of the image, you can start bringing it in, and you can see just where it's feathered across there, you're getting a really nice little glow to the edge. And if I put that there and click done and zoom back in, you'll see you've got, as you can see, you've now got this really nice warm tone that comes in from the left-hand side. And if you look at the difference between the two, that's just adding a nice glow and kind of softening out those colors a little bit. And it just looks like a really nice effect to kind of warm up your